Hi guys, today I show you the Canteen Management demo in the VF series device. Okay, so I show my face and the menu will displayed. The default, all those things is selected. If I want to change the menu like a coffee, I want to just enable the coffee and then can increase the quantity also. If I increase the quantity, by default the price will be different. Okay, the same way all the menu will be come here, and I try to get the sandwich and my card value is 120,105. If I confirm it, then it will ask for the notification confirm or cancel. I confirm it, so I got the token. Here is the all the things is printed, like a coffee is a 5 quantity which is 75 rupees, and sandwich, one sandwich is a 30 rupees, total including 105 rupees. Thank you. This is the new canteen module device. Thank you.